Hey there, y'all. I'm Woody, and today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. We're doing so freaking well. We're doing swell. I don't really know what to say, but, god damn it. Add. Alright, here we go. Yeah, like this. There we go. I'm doing so freaking well. Even though we already died. I'm moving over here. I don't want to get hit. That was probably a dumb idea. Because we missed all those goddamn coins. But that's for me to figure out later. Oh yeah, and if you still don't know where I am in the top right corner. Top left corner. Yeah, top left corner. It's hard to move in Subway Surfers and do this at the same and jiggle me the talk at the same time, so we're just gonna do one, which is control the game. So yeah. Hey, but we can do it now. So guys, how's your day been? I think my day's pretty good. Good, we finally got Mickey Ball Z back in action. The series is doing okay. But Link Goes to Kindergarten is doing really good. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing a bit more of that. We're gonna be doing some pre-recordings for tonight. Do we want to waste our key? Sure. This will be our last run. Sorry this video is a bit shorter because we already got Mickey Ball Z out. So yeah. I don't really know what else to say. Besides, thanks for 500 subs. That's awesome. Look, we can jump higher than Hoppy Hopscotch. Or Brown Bunny, even though he jumps and then smacks his face on everything. Because he's stupid. This is really hurting our neck. So, yeah, we're done. Alright. Sorry this was a shorter video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ooh, gift. Alright. We did our skin is ninja because of obvious reasons. Just check out one of our latest videos, Ninja the Assassin, then you'll figure out why. Alright, let's claim this. Let's just claim a few rewards quick, just to get this video longer. Okay, let's check some of this out. Sorry about that, y'alls. So yeah, I think we're good with it. Claim that. Okay. Ooh, we're claiming a few rewards. Oh yeah, let's get that. Claim that. Claim that. There we go. All right. Ooh, there's over here. All right. Top run. Tournament have ended. Get result. Ooh, high five. All right. High five. Or use your finger. Finger five me. Alright. Alright, let's high five him. Alright. We're really milking time here. So yeah, claim that. Claim that, claim that, claim that, claim that. Yeah. Oh yeah, also claim that. Well, collect. Let's collect all these awards. Ooh, some keys. Geez Louise. It's begging on my knees. I don't know. Ooh, a free mystery box. Let's claim it. Alrighty. Let's see, can we afford anyone? Can we afford you? Nope. 100 keys. The pro pair. Nope. 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 Hang on, let's log into our Facebook. So, yeah, hang on. Okay. Alright, we just logged into our Facebook. Let's just select Ninja. Board. Alright. 85,000 for that. Not enough coins. 55, 280. 45, 20. 280. Yeah, these are way too. All these are way too expensive. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ooh! Ow. Fuck.